Hello friends, welcome to Capsavvy CRM. Today we will learn how to use the sales function. What are the key inputs that are available, key analysis that are available in the sales function. So if you see sales function, there are drop down options available: proposals, estimates, invoices, credit notes and payments. What is meaning of each item and how do we use those functions, we'll see that. Before that, if you see the dashboard, there is an invoice section, and there are invoice summary also, and there are proposal summary, there are estimate summary. So everything is now a part of sales only. So once the customer is converted, you are giving either the product or the services. Accordingly, you raise invoice. Before invoice, you either send the proposal or you send the pro forma invoice. So everything can get captured here, so that you are keeping complete track on what is the customer journey from lead creation to proposal sending to estimate sending and to invoicing and to the payment collection. And if there is a cancellation of invoice, then credit note. So everything is functioning with respect to a particular customer. Let us say in the proposal stage, a customer or lead has come and you are creating a proposal. So you have created the proposal. This is proposal for Aditya ji, and these are the summary that is available. If you see, if you create a new proposal, this is how you create a new proposal. So once you create the proposal and save and send, accordingly the proposal will go to the customer or the lead through email automatically. And you can configure the entire thing. You can have your logo also, you can have entire text also here, or how it should look like in a normal way. So once the proposal is there, then you send the estimates, that okay, this is my proposal, and if I want to send the pro forma invoice and they have accepted it, so you send the estimate. And there is an option of accepted, or you have just sent, you have draft stage, everything is there. If you see here, 4,430 rupees invoice was there, or the estimate was there, which you have shared with the customer. And now when the customer has accepted that and you have provided the services also as per this particular, or you have provided the send all the books as a product, then you convert that into invoice. So now invoice is converted. So this invoice is created now. If you see the payment mode, we need to have a payment mode also, how it is going to be. So you can write payment mode is debit card or online payment or the cash, everything you can mention here. So phone pay or cash, you can add all the 4 options, so that customer will have options visible to them, or we can also use those options. Now coming to proposal, we have seen estimates, we have seen now invoice. So that particular proposal was converted to invoice, which is visible here. Now if you want to see the payment received against this invoice, so suppose say this is unpaid, and we see whether the payment is received or not. So first of all, we see whether the collection mode is there. No, collection mode is not added, so we'll add first collection mode and then save. And we go back to invoicing, and that particular invoice now 1,25,000, and against that, let us say he has paid only 25,000 so far. So we record payment of partial. So instead of 1,25,000, let us say 25,000 we have received. Which date we have received? On 27th. Which mode we have received? Online payment we have received. And if you want to add any note, you can add and then save. So now the status will change to partially paid. If you see status again on the sales side, invoice number 12, it is showing as partially paid. So this is how it functions. Now coming to credit note. Suppose there are invoicing which are there, and now credit note is there. We need to raise the credit note. So you can go to invoice, and suppose this particular invoice which is not paid, suppose this is unpaid invoice, and now we need to change to credit note. You can shift to credit note. So create credit note against this particular invoice. Confirm. So now this particular invoice, which is invoice number 11, it will be showing as paid. So here we have raised the credit note against the invoice of 1,000 credit used, and now 176 rupees only pending because we have raised the credit note. This is how it functions, and everything will be available on the dashboard. And not only to our dashboard, to the person also who is in the field, that also can access all those information right in the mobile or in the app, in the website. Now coming to payment side. Now these are the invoices which are there where the payment has been received. If you see each invoice, there is a payment received, and you can raise recurring invoices also. If you see again invoice, suppose you are creating a new invoice, and you are raising invoice, let us say for your monthly services you are raising every month. So recurring invoice you can say every month it will be raised then, and automatically it will added in the calendar also. This is how the sales function will provide the complete details. Similarly, you can have comparison also with respect to expenses. Those details also available in the report section for the sales. So if you see the report section for the sales, these are the reports available: invoice report, item wise report, payment received report, credit note report, proposals sent report, estimates report, and customers report. If you see invoice report, these are the invoices which were there. If you want to see the graphical presentation, the chart also, total income, the chart wise it will be showing month wise. Payment mode, it will be showing one month wise how we have received the payment, online payment versus PayPal versus debit card, all those information. And value wise, customer wise also you can get which customer is giving more value, which sector is giving more value, which services are giving more value. If you want to see all time, you can see all time also, payment mode. So this is all time payment mode. Then come to item wise report. So there are total furniture item. So this is the complete report. If you want to see all time, this is all time report of item wise. Similarly, payment received, these are the payment received that we have recorded. Modes were online payment or debit card or online payment. Similarly, credit note report is also available. Graphical representation is also available for the payment collection.